Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can simply use the CapCut templates when you don't have the template button on your CapCut. So I noticed that in some countries there are no template buttons like I have on my CapCuts right here. So in template you can find so many templates created by the other creator and you can use it freely. And if you can't find the template button, there are two ways that you can do. So the first one is, if you have a TikTok account, you can just go to your TikTok. Then in here you can just click on the search column at the top, and then just type in CapCut template. Okay, search for it. And then there will be lots of CapCut templates that you can use. You can just click on one of them, and in here you'll find there is this button, CapCut try this template option. So you can just click on that and it will direct you to the CapCut apps and click on the use template in CapCut. After that, you can just use the templates freely for your edits. So that's the first way. The second way, if you don't have TikTok, you can just find the template on Google or on your browser. So just do the same. Find CapCut template on the search column in Google. And in here you can just click on this the first page that show up. Then again you'll be facing with so many templates that you can choose, so you can just use the same steps. Click on the templates that you want to use and then click on use template. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, so don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and click on the thanks. Bye.